Wow, this looks delicious, delicious.
I am ready to
Oh,
start
sorry.
already.
Yes.
मैं ये चाकू चोरी कर रहा था. Oh, wow.
This
This
is
looks
this
yum.
is the
I love dinosaur
chicken.
eggs. Oh, chicken. Oh.
And chicken korma with the eggs,
Wow,
boiled
wow,
eggs.
wow, wow.
This is the chane ki dal.
Chane ki dal. Can I have a roti, please?
Yes, sure.
I'm serving myself.
Yes, please.
Yes. This is beautiful. This is
And
beautiful.
this is chalao. Have
offer
that
it.
get
And the
past the
capsicum?
bhendi.
I love the capsicum.
That's bhendi, no?
Oh, bhendi, bhendi.
He said capsicum.
You know, I once went to the bazaar.
Hey, you're supposed to serve the lady
Oh, I'm
first.
so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Can you?
Krishika, catch.
Okay, please pass it here. I'll serve. Please. You're
yes.
my guest, so I've got to
Yes,
help.
yes, yes,
serve.
yes,
Yeah.
See, I'm helping myself. So
Yes.
Yes, that's the
yes.
way to go ahead. And I'm going to join you. Though, as they say,
Oh,
if you cook, you don't usually feel very hungry. So I'm not hungry because I've cooked.
I once
But
dated.
I'm sure.
I dated somebody who was hungry. You know, she was Hungarian. वाह
Yummy.
मजा आ गया. दो तरह के खाने होते हैं. एक होता है food to die for. Like when Zareen cooks, it's genuinely you can die for that food. And then there is food which you die for. Like when Farah cooks, you eat it and you die.
But it always happens in all our sets.
Let me give you some.
Food is main thing, especially few of my directors.
Naturally.
Although,
It's like breakfast, lunch, snacks. We only talk about food.
yeah, but you know, in the
But when you
70s,
work hard, I guess you have to
No,
talk
but
about
it's
food.
like it's a feast.
in the 70s, there were conjuice producers who used to tell their unit, "Beta, एक बोटी दो रोटी." That's it, you know. One piece mutton and two rotis. That's it. Yeah.
Not on my sets. You
No,
can
yeah,
find
the food
different
is-
kind of
Food is
yeah.
delicious. It's delicious.
When I did Banjo, it was only Marathi cuisine.
Yeah.
Really?
The Tesa.
No, director of Maharashtra
Ritesh
Ritesh.
used to get for all of us one and dabba to take the Tesa home, and we used to really enjoy it.
No, I have a confession to make. My most popular dish, actually, it's a snack or it's a dish with Maharashtrian cuisine. It's misal pav.
Oh.
I love misal pav. I can like eat 20,000 plates of misal pav. There's a canteen at Film City which makes misal pav. It's outstanding.
Oh, yummy.
It's outstanding. The misal pav over there
Next
is...
snack,
Shoot
huh?
over there, I'm going to think of few charges and I'm going to attack them.
Thank you. So this food is very, very good. It's very tasty. And the beauty of it is all been cooked in very hydrogenated, refined cooking oil. So
And exactly, it's not too oily. That's the
Yeah.
main thing, right?
it's not oily at all.
This bangan and dahi I've only eaten in your house. And now I'm eating it. It's yum.
बट ये हाई क्लास सोसाइटी के लोगों को देखो, रोटी भी इन लोग चम्मच से खाते हैं.
रोटी
हाथ
का
से
है,
खा लो।
बैंगन खा रही हूँ।
नहीं, आपकी रोटी में आप चम्मच से काटने की कोशिश
हाथ से
करें.
खा लो।
हाथ से खा लो, हाथ से खा लो. बहुत अच्छा खाना, बहुत अच्छा खाना. I love your food. Have your daughters been able to recreate your food magic?
Well, some of them have, but now, you know, with the modern generation, they do, but it's more anglicized.
Young girls like her.
Yes, exactly.
So we take the recipes from the book.
Yes, you
Do you
must.
cook? Do you cook?
I cook
What do you
sometimes,
cook?
occasionally.
Good food?
Good food.
Sindhi food?
No, not Sindhi particular.
No?
Baked and few other things.
What do you cook?
Baked carrot
Oh, how
Baked
nice.
carrot cake?
cake. Yummy.
I've never heard of that before in my life. It's high time I leave the show. Okay, now. After eating some more.
Leave the show. After
Can I take some rice?
Some rice. Let
Yeah.
me give you some rice.
Wow, that's it. Now these onions, these are fried onions, correct?
Yes.
What is it called? Is the Hindi
Well,
word?
let me tell you, this is brishta.
Brishta.
It's called brishta.
तो अगर मैं इसको बोलूं, अनियन को बोलूं, आज मैं तेरे लिए ब्रिश्ता लाया हूं.
And this is very popular, and actually this dish is also a Persian dish if you really go to see, because it's just to make it look elaborate and nice. It's plain white rice with a little bit of brishta and little kismish thrown on. Parsis always like sweet dishes a
I'm
little
half
bit.
Parsi.
So
I have friends who are half Parsis.
all my kids are half Parsis if you really go to see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Farah and I. I think your home food cooks, the food is better than any caterer.
But let me assure you, that's been our tradition from the time all my kids have got married. It's always the functions used to be mainly in our house. The food used to be cooked entirely in the house, even if it's for 200 people.
Farad, Mehndi Sangeet happened in
Yeah. 200 people today.
200 is quite a lot.
Well,
Have the
अभी तो आदत हो गई है, you know.
You know, yeah, but
No,
that's a fact.
I had Farah's even engagement at my house.
Yes.
Engagement, even Suzanne's and Zayed's and everybody's.
Good food,
Mehndi.
food. You know, you can actually come home and say that you don't get to eat that kind of food in any restaurant.
Yeah.
It's a fact.
Nothing like home food for sure.
Yes. What type of food do you have in your house?
We have the Sindhi food. And plus mostly like Punjabis, how they make the food. And then like everyone likes different kind of cuisines. We do the Thai curry sometimes, Italian pastas and all. But actually, it's de-stressing. When you cook,
Yes.
you have stress. You just forget, at times.
That's what my husband says, you know, because when he used to be filming for Tipu Sultan and for a host of other film productions, he used to come in the evening and he used to call all his unit members, quite a lot of them,
Yes.
and make them sit around him, and then they used to make all this hara masala chop and sometimes chicken barbecue.
But these guys, they were well known for not just the films they made, but also for the way they treated their units. You know, Feroz Khan Saab, Sanjay Khan Saab, Raj Kapoor Saab. All these people, when
Yes.
they made their film, the unit used to be very lucky that they were chosen to be the unit. सबको खाना बहुत अच्छा मिलता था, जो normally नहीं मिलता है. It also makes the unit feel at home.
Yes.
It does make them feel that it's my film. I'm not just here for my daily wages. It's
Right.
my film. I want to go back to the shooting the next day.
Yes.
I think that is where food connects people.
People, yes,
You know?
absolutely.
But I think ये कहीं ना कहीं सिर्फ और सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानियों में ये आदत है कि आप एक स्ट्रेंजर को भी खाना ऑफर करो.
Offer karo.
ये वर्ल्ड में कहीं नहीं होता है.
Chalo, have
Anyone
one or
who
two
comes
little bit
home
more
always-
spoon. Come.
मैं तो स्ट्रेंजर हूँ, मैं तो ले भी लूंगा. कहते हैं ना कि खाने का स्वाद अच्छा हो तो उंगली चाटता है आदमी. मैं उंगली चाट रहा हूँ.
Very good. I'm so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the meal.
Of course,
Yes.
no doubt about
Tremendously.
that.
I'm so happy. So now don't go away.
Wait, Sajid, keep
He's-
the knife.
Oh,
Sorry.
he's taking the knife now.
Sorry.
Sajid. He's the naughty boy, but a very sweet
No, but
naughty
he's
boy.
still not given me his mantra.
Which is what's
It's a
that?
break.